What home improvements will I get the most value for when I go to sell my home? And what home improvements do I get the best return on my investment? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph. One of the biggest bangs for your buck you are going to get back is repainting the interior of your home. This allows the buyer to come in and feel that your home is fresh and taken care of. Pick a light and airy neutral color that's inviting and welcoming to most buyers. If the outside of your home needs a fresh coat of paint, that's important too, because curb appeal is the first impression to your buyers when they pull up to your home. Now, your kitchen is probably one of the most important improvements that you can do to your home. If you're able to renovate and update the kitchen, you will get one of the highest returns on your investment. And another improvement would be the master bath. If you're able to renovate and update the master bath, that's going to speak volumes to the buyers. So lastly would be declutter and minimize what you have in your home. Make your home look crisp and clean and decluttered. Put yourself in the shoes of the buyer. If you are purchasing a home, what would be important to you? If you have any questions or you would like more information, please reach out at any time. We specialize in Montgomery County, PA, Villanova 19085, Gladwin 19035, and Delaware County, PA, Wayne 19087. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.